This is Danchee Ridge Rock. Running on the dirt tracks. Approach CR. I think it's the C3 compound. My son's driving it. Say hi, Nick.
Hi.
These are just a little bit better than the, well, not just a little bit, they're a lot better than stock tires. If anybody gets it looking to upgrade tires, that's what I would do. I don't think you're getting that one, bud. Go to the other side and try it.
Oh, I got it.
Remember, you got it. Nope, you're not gonna get it. That back wheel's not lined up. I would recommend this truck to anybody getting into the hobby. This thing is great for only $100.
I don't think I'm making it.
Now look, you see how the other side is, you see how the bottom of the chassis is stuck? It's on the pivot, right there.
This side?
Nope, the other side that she was looking at. You see how it's touching the log?
Yeah.
You're probably not going to get it up past that.
Okay.
You definitely won't make that.
It can, somehow.
Oh. No, you got that tire in that hole right there.
It's possible if it can do it, right?
Here, come over here to this.
But
This little rock pile.
nope. I'll have to knock on it. What's that noise? That
It's the tires are a little big. I gotta get tire spacers.
Oh. Stop.
No, you should have went out a different approach. Yeah, you high center right there on that rock. Back up. Now give it some like throttle, high. There you go.
I'm trying to make it all the way to the end. What kind of spider was that?
Where?
That. Oh. Oh, that.
Oh, that's all good.